Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today we are discussing about Vedic maths. In Vedic maths we already started multiplication series. So we have done different kind of problems like 2 digits time 2 digit, 3 digits time 2 digit, 4 digits time 2 digit and 5 digits time 2 digit. Even we can derive a formula for any n digit times 2 digit. Okay, so now let's see if it is like multiplier and multiplicand is 3 digit times 3 digits. So how we can derive a formula, so how we need to solve these kind of questions. So let's see. So before we start the class, so we will analyze the conventional method how we are going to do 3 digits times 3 digit, then we will derive some pattern from that. Okay, so let's take our multiplicand and multiplier as 3 digit times 3 digit. So here we are considering some multiplicand ABC and then multiplier XYZ. So let's analyze our conventional method. So how we will solve this question. So we need to multiply first Z and ABC. So the values are AZ, BZ and CG. Okay, and then after finishing with the Z we will start with the Y. Okay, then the values are AY, BY, CY. Okay, so then we'll start with the X, AX, BX and then CX. Then we will do the addition. So the left and rightmost values are same like in our earlier videos. It's a straight multiplication values AX, CZ, and the next middle part is bit different, but between a left part and middle part we have one cross, so that is AY plus BX. Sorry you couldn't able to see, but it's okay, I will explain. So the next part is AY, BX, and that side part is BG and CG. The middle part is this one, so which is different from other videos. So it's like a big crisscross, AZ plus CX plus BY. Okay, so total we got 5 values. In that 4 values we know how to do it, only this step differs. Second degree cross, so that it differs. Okay, so AX and CG are the same and 2 crisscross are same like our earlier videos, only the middle part is core part is different, so which is AG, CX and then BY. We should expand our cross throughout the values. Okay, so let's see, even if you didn't get this conventional method, surely you are going to understand what I am saying through examples. Okay, so when I do examples you will understand what I am saying. So let's do it here. What I said, the left and rightmost values are which we are getting from the straight multiplication. So just multiply. 6 3s are 18, so that we need to write down as a leftmost value, and then you couldn't able to write because this is bit wet. Okay, yeah, so 6 3s are 18, then 9 6 are 54. Then we need to do crisscross. This is also same step like in our earlier video. 6 7s are 42, 8 is are 24, so when you add it you will get it 66. Then we need to do this one. 6 8s are 48, 7 9s are 63. I told you, right, this cross technique is same like our earlier videos. When you add it we will get it 111, and the middle part is different, which is a second degree cross. So let's see how to do this one. So you need to multiply 6 6 are, 9 3s are and then 8 7s are, and then you need to add all the 3 values. So 36, 27, 56. So the answer is 5 plus 5 10, and here it is 19. Okay, so now we need to do the balancing. 119. So 4, then we need to add 111 plus 5, which is 116. Then we need to add 1 1 here, then the answer is 130. Then we need to write down 0 here, 13 we need to add over here, so which is 79. Again you need to write down 9 here, 7 here. 18 plus 7 is 25. So write down your answer over here, 259,064. So let's do the next question. 634 times 746. So 6 sevens are 42. Straight multiplication values are very easy. 6 sevens are 42, and then 6 fours are 24, and then first crisscross 21 plus 24, which is 43. Sorry, 45. 24 plus 21, and then next crisscross, which is 4 fours are 16 plus 18, so the answer is 34. And then this is 6 6 are 36, 7 4s are 28, plus 4 3s are 12. So when we add it, we will get from this side 6 and this side is 16. And then we need to do balancing rule. So when we apply balancing rule, it is like 6 76. 6 plus 1 7. So let's do balancing here. 4 36 6, then 79, then 9 here, we need to add 7 here. 45 plus 7 means 52, so write down 2 here, 5 here. 42 plus 5 is 47. Okay, just take out this one and write down 472964. And then let's do the next one. 879 times 342. So 8 3s are 24, 9 2s are 18. I think I can do only these questions. My time is up. So what are the remaining problems you have over here? So you can consider it as homework. So if you have any doubts, you can do let me know in the comment box. Okay, so let's solve this question. 8 3s are 24 and 9 2s are 18, and then we need to do the cross. 8 4s are 32, 7 3s are 21. So when we add it, we will get it 53. So here it is 53. And then next we have 7 2s are 14. Next crisscross 14 plus 36, which is 50. And then the middle part, second degree cross, which is 8 2s are 16, 9 3s are 27, 7 4s are 28. So when we add it 5. Next 14 plus 7, which is 21, and do balancing. 71. So write down that value over here, and then write down the value 8. Then 50 plus 1 51. So 1 here, 5 here, then 76 6 here, 7 here, then 60 0 here, and then 6 here. Then 24 plus 6 means 30. So the answer is 300,618. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I hope you got all the concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.